Hello, Kevin from Minehead and Exmoor Fine and Country. I'm here today at a most amazing coastal home overlooking a quaint hamlet of Porlock Bay, and as you'll see, some amazing sea views. The property is 5-6 bedrooms, has been completely renovated to a very high standard. It is fantastic, so let's have a look inside. So that concludes the tour, and I hope you've had an enjoyable time looking around the property. I would love to see you in person to give you a personal guided tour. Thank you.